How do you define a good day of fishing? Is it about who had the biggest fish? Who caught the most fish? Or maybe who's got the nicest gear or the latest electronics, because lately, everywhere I look, that's all I see. Or maybe it's who has the most sponsorships. And sometimes I ask myself, when did we get so lost? When did fishing become about anything other than fishing? See, when I was young, fishing was about going out with my family and my friends, wetting a few lines and just having a good time, whether we caught something or not. Sometimes we released those fish back. Sometimes we went back home and had a fish fry with our friends and family. And I remember those were much simpler times, and I miss that. And I think you do too. And that's why me and my friends wanted to bring you the 3 States, 3 Rivers series to remind you of why you love fishing and the great outdoors. So welcome, and I hope you're ready to fall in love again.
Gang, gang.
I better catch y'all from the heat, man. Stop playing. Big dog, you got a striper.
Yes,
Big dog, we eating tonight.
Hey, come over here, bro. Come over.
We eating tonight. Y'all gonna stay skinny.
You gonna come speak this Spanish about this taco.
Grande mucho taco.
Bro, y'all ever held?
Get out.
No.
I think I'm gonna take this back camera today.
Not in.
Yeah, this is where I had my 360 at last time. I'm putting my 360 up here.
Hello, I see them. Move up from there. I said hi. I gotta say hi. I said hi long. Where are we at? We're on the Saluda.
I can't tell you where we at. Saluda, man.
The Saluda. We're in Colombia.
Colombia. We in
I'll take-
Saluda.
Huh?
Saluda. Yeah.
I'm gonna say Colombia. Cause then everyone's gonna come fishing now. You wanna know why?
Let's go to the Bassmaster.
Marshall.
No.
Marshall's with us. Oh man, guys, good morning. We are in South Carolina today. We are in Colombia. That is all I will disclose.
Day 2.
Day
Trip
2. Day 2 of the series, and we're out here in the middle of civilization, in the middle of Colombia, and we've got some fun stuff planned for you guys. We got Mr. Georgia Bassmaster with us today.
What's up, guys?
Mr. Where's Gabe? There he is.
There he is.
coming.
Banks and Eddies himself. What's going on, fam?
Mr. Cho. But anyways, what we fishing for today? We got smallmouth.
Smallmouth, striper, maybe even a trout.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a good time out here.
It's gonna be a good day. So far, boat rent was closed. So one of us hit a car, or so one of us hit a post. We're not gonna say who. We'll let y'all figure that out. What else happened? What else?
Man,
happened?
The amphitheater was shut down.
The amphitheater was the takeout was shut down. So it's been guys. That's how you know we're about to have a phenomenal day. So excited to do it.
absolutely. Real life stuff, man. We've never been here. Obstacles, but we're gonna see what we can make happen.
Yeah. Let's get on the water, guys. It's day 2. Let's do it.
Bygons.
Bacon, bud.
There you go.
Bud.
There you go.
All right, boys. Got to put the battery center in the back of the truck. Make sure everything is secure, and that's the cool thing about the Paragon bed cover. They're one of our title sponsors for the entire series, but this is a huge upgrade for your truck, especially if you look at my setup. I can't use a traditional trifold. This works with my bars. It works with the rod tube that I've got from Malone. So guys, make sure you check them out. I'll leave the link down below for Paragon.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, planning a multi-state, multi-day trip has been challenging because of the weather. That's why one of the first things we did was partner with the Windy app for this series to help us have these conditions dialed in and understand what we're up against on every trip. So guys, they're a huge partner of this series and of this channel. Check out my personal link to the Windy app down below.
Oh, got him. Oh. Largie. Nice largie, Marshall. Nice largie. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. On the freaking spinnerbait, bro. I knew that was going to happen. That is a tank, son. That is a freaking tank. Dude, look at this chunk, bro. It's a nice river largie. It's a solid 4.5. All right, boys. We've been grinding this morning. Just caught this beautiful largie on that nickel spinnerbait, all white. Thought it was a striper at first, but man, this is a solid fish because you don't get chances at big largies back home in our river. So this is a great start for me today. And the boys have gone on a few, so guys, we're off to a good start. Super excited. All right, man.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, guys. First official fish today, man. I had so many followers. I finally had one hit it in the perfect spot. Had an eddy, had some current, but boom, here we go. Fish of the day, make it happen.
Alrighty, just got the first stripe of the day. A school of about 10 of them came up. Got it on the Clutch Eco 6.5-inch glide. Absolutely destroyed it.
We're filming something on YouTube right now. Just yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. Largie. Hey, these are nice largies. They're not like the ones back home.
All right, nice little large. They're chunky here. They're healthy, but look at that. I forgot what that's called. I need to look that up, but looks like they got a little something going on. But nice largie on that nickel spinnerbait. Love that thing. Oh, good one. Woo-hoo-hoo! Largie. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Boy, that spinnerbait. Nickels. Guys, so much fun, man. You know, it's so rare to see largies in current to me. Those of you guys that fish here in South Carolina, let me know if this is normal for y'all, but this water is really cold. And I was expecting more striper, smallmouth, but these largies are in here and they're eating, and that's awesome. Such a fun start to the day. That nickel spinnerbait is doing really well so far. Guys, we're using that bait fuel, that new bait fuel with the max scent. This is an upgrade, and it's supposed to stay on like 10 times longer on your soft plastic. So I have been using this. I will say this. Ever since I put it on and I tied the spinnerbait on, we've been catching them. So you never know. It might be a combination of things. It might be just one thing. You never know, though. You never know. Could be the area as well.
Now, I didn't want to show you this next shot because my GoPro started messing up, and that's one of the things we deal with out here is moving water, changing conditions, fish that are moody. And here we are doing this big project and the camera messes up. And one of my fears is being criticized on here for being less than perfect. But I'm slowly getting over that, and I promised you guys I'd show you every bit of this journey, the good and the bad. So here's this awesome swim bait eat that I really wanted to show you guys.
Yes! Oh, right there. That's a solid one. It's like a nice little 3-pounder on the trick shad. Oh my goodness. There we go right there. Nice largie. It's a good day. It's a good day. What'd you get him on? Oh, the trick shad? Let me see it. Let's go, Michael. That's beautiful. Man, in the current too. Michael's on. We're about to go park on this little island over here on these rocks, see if we can get some shots, show you guys this this fish. It's been a good day so far. Good day. There we go. Congrats, man. Hey, the silent hammer, bro. Deadly behind the lens and a hammer with the combo. Let's go on the swim base. All right, everybody, midday update. We are up here in the middle of the float, and if you look around me, rocks and shoals everywhere, rapids everywhere, and we are still out here working and grinding for these striper. But it's been a blast. We've gotten on some fish. I've caught a few largies myself, Marshall, some striper, Michael, striper now, some largemouth. So it's been a great day, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this float in the middle of Columbia, right here in the middle of the city. So after this, we're gonna keep floating down, and then we'll see you guys down at the brewery. So let's keep going. Hey, which side? Left? Over there? Yo, here? All right, so we're parking now because we've got a spot on the map that says we need to port, which means we take out, we walk through this section, and then we put back in because these are level 4 rapids we're about to go through. However, the river's so low, I'm pretty sure we can walk it. We're about to check it out right now. It's super rocky and bumpy, bro. Like, it's super rocky and bumpy.
Yeah.
Marshall, gone, boy. Imagine you made through all that and that's the thing that took you out, bro. Good God.
Now, we were having a great day overall, but let me tell you about Latrell Gaither. Latrell is like a big brother to me, and he was having a rough day today. Forgot his keys, hit his car, and then this happened. And he was kind enough to share the footage with us so that you guys could see everything that happened. And this wasn't the only time he flipped. He flipped twice. But I want to tell you guys something that I appreciate about Latrell. Whenever we're all concerned about how dangerous rapids may be, he always volunteers to go first. And he's the kind of person you want around, because a lot of times life is like the river, and you just need someone to volunteer to go first when things look scary.
Big boulders, Alex, big boulders. Big boulders, bro. Hey, get him. I'm gonna get his stuff, you get him. Hey, you good? I'm gonna get your stuff, bro. Ah, you missed one? Dang. Oh. Caught a small fish. Ah, it's a smallie. Guys, we got our first smallie of the trip. Guys, look at that smallie. Always appreciate a good smallie. All right, boys, just looked at the Windy app. It looks like we've got a system rolling in for about an hour. Looks like we might get some rain, so we're paddling it out for the rest of the float. We're done for today. It was a good day, a lot of exploring and adventuring, but overall a good day. So let's head out. Let's head to the takeout and get home safely, or get back to camp safely.
Sure. That's the only time I ever wear it, because I get it dirty. Yeah.
God dang. Dude, I just want to eat, bro. All right. We recording?
Yep.
It's all right, man. It don't matter.
Hope ain't nothing. It's kind of white. I hope.
What you been doing?
You've been trying to create a baby, so I don't know.
We are trying to make a baby. All right, we're out of the river. We're hanging out at a brewery today. What's the name of the brewery? I don't even know right now.
I don't even know.
Columbia Craft.
Columbia Craft Brewing.
Columbia Craft. We made it. We made it. You wanna tell everybody about some of the things that happened today?
Today, where do I start, bro?
You got baptized multiple times.
It started off, I backed my car into a pole. Then I got to the takeout and forgot the keys and loose car. And along the way, I flipped my kayak, not once, but twice. And I lost about $1,000 in
You
rod and
almost
reel.
drowned in 1 foot of water. 1 foot of water, you almost drowned.
Almost drowned in a hole.
I fell and I just kept falling.
So we're gonna get in here and we're gonna buy him a pint?
A pint.
We're gonna get him a pint, and then he's gonna buy us a round for forgetting the keys.
I need a steak right now.
Let's go
Hey,
eat.
we're gonna drink our sorrows away. That's what we're gonna do.
Hey, y'all come eat with us. Let's go hang out. Come on.
So here's something that the guys and I do a lot after a day of fishing. We usually get together, tired as hell, and we usually do it over Mexican food, and we just hang out. We talk about our girls, our kids, work, the struggles of life, the good, the bad, and it goes beyond fishing. And that's what today's about. It's about friendship that goes beyond the water. It's about life.
Line. You found his line. I don't know how you got it back.
I'm like $1,000. Hey.
The charitable donation.
Hey, can I get something? You need to give me a piece of your
You got an Uber. You got an Uber.
Yeah, I got an Uber ticket too.
Yeah.
Hey, he made fun of me. I left my keys on Savannah, and he made fun of me for years.
I made fun of you just the other day.
So there you go, bro.
And like the funny thing is, I put my keys in his door. You saw me put the keys in
I
your
didn't see
door.
it, bro. I didn't see it. I was 4 minutes away.
They probably have alcohol there too, right?
I have no idea.
I doubt it.
Someone please take me to my truck.
Got the cameraman. Camera on the cameraman.
Cameraman on the camera.
When I went and got coffee, they put "You got this."
Huh? You mean today?
You help me with this cooler? Nah, you wanted a big cooler. Carry the big cooler. Yeah. ¿Cómo se llama? Woody Buzz, sí. Buenos días. ¿Dormiste bien? ¿Dormiste bien? Sí.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur, baby, yeah. We're gonna go catch fish. Yeah, fish.
All right, good morning. We are hanging out outside of Waffle House Quick Stop today before we go fish. Somebody wanted to come eat breakfast right here. I'm not gonna say who, but this guy right here. But anyways, guys, today's plan, we're gonna have some breakfast. We're gonna stop by a dam that's supposed to be really good for smallmouth fishing, and then we're gonna get after it. Hopefully today, no one flips and we don't lose any gear, so y'all stay with us.
That's true. Oh. Is that your speaking, Charles?
Oh, is that you?
Yeah, literally.
I guess that speaker works though.
What y'all got going on? What y'all doing today?
We're fishing. We're trying to,
Yeah.
Where y'all from? What y'all doing?
we're from Georgia.
Girl? What y'all doing here?
We're fishing.
Just fishing.
Catching what kind of fish? Where y'all going there?
We got Broad today. The Broad.
River. Okay, I need a bass or something.
Yeah.
That's what happened on the second time. I had on the water.
I can't stand it. Those fishing videos. Those are my favorite ones.
Like the fish back.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. You're welcome.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Like a wolf pack of 10 right there. Wolf pack of 10 fish. I don't know what they were though. Got one. Oh, it's oh yeah, it's a smallie. There we go. All right, guys, we are in an undisclosed location. We know nothing about this area, and that's just that's how we live. Like, trying new places, new areas. A lot of times we really don't know what's going to happen. We try our best to plan, but that's what makes getting the first bite so exciting. Even if it's a small 8-inch smallmouth, it just it makes it that much more fulfilling. There you go, buddy. Yeah. Smalley. Huh? Look, 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 look. Let's go. Heck yeah, bro. Oh, it's a gore. Out of that spillway right there. Bro, over here you get a better angle. Over there where Trail's at, I think we need to go that way, bro. Because kind of looking at this situation, we don't got much to work with. Yeah.
Let's go.
He almost got to hit it.
Oh! Gar. Oh, got him! Got him! We got a gar. We got a gar. Oh, get in, get in! Yo! That was crazy. It was a complete accident, dude. You know what happened? He went after the whopper plopper, and I stopped it, and he just bumped to it with his nose. So when I picked it up, he was hooked, bro. All right, boys, there we go. We're out here looking for smallmouth, but sometimes you get surprised. I mean, we've seen a lot of gar today, and missed a couple on the swim bait, but finally got this one on the whopper plopper. So you got to make it happen, and your kayak's floating away, bro. Like, oh yeah. Oh God. Oh, scared me. God, there's so many. Oh, got one. Yeah. Largy. I am the king of largies. All right, guys. Wrapping up the float now. Nice little largie there on the whopper plopper. It's been a fun day. Oh yeah. Nah, he didn't want it. You know how I'd like to end this day, bro? If one of us caught a nice largie. Like a nice 4. Oh, largie. Oh. Yes, sir. Thank you, Lord. Hey, nice little largie. And I just got to get a video of the whopper plopper. Nah, it's the whopper plopper, bro. Oh, you saw that? Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a largie, I think. Oh, he came off, dude. That was a good largie. I don't think that was a largie, man. I think it was a smallmouth. What happened? You get hit up by little fish in there, bro. Bro, I think that was a smallmouth. The way he was ripping drag, that was not. I don't think that was a largie. That couldn't have been a largie. I bet that next lay down there is gonna be good too. Dude, I just lost a good fish, bro. Dang, man. He just came off too, like he was just gone. 1 minute to the next. Yeah. Oh! 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 Yeah. Come on, baby! What did I say? One of us needs a largie.
Let's go.
Chatterbait. Hey, I let it sit there for like 10 seconds. Jeff Little Jr. right here. Yes, bro. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, this is awesome. I feel like this has happened a lot this year because you know, you just gotta fish till the very end. The takeout is right here. I'm looking at it right here, but I said, you know, one of us needs to catch a good largie, and here it is. He hit the whopper plopper first, and I lost him. Threw that Evo tungsten chatterbait in there. Crushed it, man. Such a great way to end a good day with friends. What a way to end the day on a healthy largie. Today's definitely been an adventure, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed episode 2 of the 3-state, 3-river series. It has definitely been a blast for us going through these new places, new bodies of water that just keep surprising us. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Super excited for you guys to see the final episode on Tennessee. Guys, we've got 3 days of fishing, and I can't wait to show you guys what Tennessee's all about. So excited, don't miss it. I'll see you on the next one.